Assalamualaikum dan apa khabar semua? Hi everyone. In the previous lesson, we have learned words related to emotion. Emotion means emosi in Malay. And in today's lesson, I will list out a sample sentence for each word. However, before we proceed, semua orang boleh tolong saya. Semua orang boleh tolong saya. Everyone can help me to grow the channel by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. Baiklah, jom mula. Let's start. Gembira, gembira, happy. Awak nampak gembira. Awak nampak gembira. You seem happy. Bahagia, bahagia, happy. Siapa pun boleh rasa bahagia. Siapa pun boleh rasa bahagia. Anyone can feel happy. Sedih, sedih, sad. Kenapa kamu sedih ni? Kenapa kamu sedih ni? Why are you sad? Marah, marah, angry. Janganlah marah, janganlah marah. Don't be angry. Teruja, teruja, excited. Saya teruja sangat bila dapat nombor 1. Saya teruja sangat bila dapat nombor 1. I feel so excited when I got first place. Takut, takut, afraid. Saya takutlah, saya takutlah. I feel afraid. Malu, malu, shy, ashamed. Malu bertanya sesat jalan. Malu bertanya sesat jalan. Bertanya means to ask. Sesat jalan means to lose your way. Actually, this is a Malay idiom which means if we hesitate to ask or shy to ask for help, it means that we will lost because the problem we are faced with cannot be solved. With that being said, I have a little reminder. Jangan malu, don't be shy. To practice speaking in Malay because in the end, the ultimate goal of learning a language is to be able to speak it, right? Start your conversational Malay lesson ASAP with me, Zarina. Sign up through this link, bit.ly/personal lesson. Class is either on Saturday, Sunday or Monday. Back to our lesson, shall we? Bersalah, bersalah, guilty. Awak tak perlu rasa bersalah. Awak tak perlu rasa bersalah. You don't need to feel guilty. Penat, penat, tired. Saya rasa penat sangat hari ni. Saya rasa penat sangat hari ni. I feel so tired today. Cemburu, cemburu, jealous. Awak cemburu ke tengok dia cantik? Awak cemburu ke tengok dia cantik? Are you jealous of her beauty? Cinta, cinta, love. Saya cintakan awak. Saya cintakan awak. I love you. sayang, sayang, love. Emak saya lebih sayang adik saya. Emak saya lebih sayang adik saya. My mom loves my younger sister or younger brother more. Disayangi, disayangi, loved. Saya rasa sangat disayangi. Saya rasa sangat disayangi. I feel so loved. Berharap, berharap, hopeful. Jangan berharap dapat durian runtuh. Jangan berharap dapat durian runtuh. Don't hope for a sudden windfall. Durian runtuh is also a Malay idiom. It means to get something easily or unexpectedly or to profit with no effort. Geram, geram, angry, resentful, hate, or like. Depends on context. The first example is, geramnya, bila jam ni nak habis? Geramnya, bila jam ni nak habis? I've had it. When this traffic jam will end? The second example is, geramnya, kenapa comel sangat dia ni? Geramnya, kenapa comel sangat dia ni? Oh, why is he or she so cute? In this case, the word geram has the meaning of liking a person or fascinated by a person. Benci, benci, hate. Saya benci orang pemalas. Saya benci orang pemalas. I hate lazy people. Bosan, bosan, bored. Bosannya, jom tengok wayang. Bosannya, jom tengok wayang. So bored, let's watch movies. Kasihan, kasihan, or kesian, kesian. Colloquially, pity, pity. Kesiannya, tak ada siapa bagi kucing ni makan. Kesiannya, tak ada siapa bagi kucing ni makan. So pity, no one feeds this cat. Bangga, bangga, proud. Saya rasa bangga bila dapat masuk universiti. Saya rasa bangga bila dapat masuk universiti. I feel proud to be able to go to university. Gementar, gementar, nervous. Rasa gementar masih tak hilang. Rasa gementar masih tak hilang. The nervousness still hasn't gone away. Cemas, cemas, anxious. Rasa cemas tadi, nasib Ronaldo gol. Rasa cemas tadi, nasib Ronaldo gol. I was anxious just now. Luckily, Ronaldo scored. Mengamuk, mengamuk, enraged. Kenapa tiba-tiba awak mengamuk ni? Kenapa tiba-tiba awak mengamuk ni? Why are you enraged all of a sudden? Gelisah, gelisah, restless. Kenapa tiba-tiba rasa gelisah ni? Kenapa tiba-tiba rasa gelisah ni? Why do I suddenly feel restless? Panic, panic, panic. Jangan panik ketika memandu. Jangan panik ketika memandu. Don't panic while driving. Terkejut. Terkejut. Shocked. Berita ni buat semua orang terkejut. Berita ni buat semua orang terkejut. This news surprised everyone. Terpesona. Terpesona. Fascinated. Enchanted. Saya terpesona dengan gaya dia. Saya terpesona dengan gaya dia. I'm fascinated by her or his style. Keliru. Keliru. Confused. Saya selama ni keliru. Saya selama ni keliru. I have been confused all along. Kecewa. Kecewa. Disappointed. Saya kecewa bila dapat tahu dia ada awek. Saya kecewa bila dapat tahu dia ada awek. I was disappointed when I found out he had a girlfriend. Lapar. Lapar. Hungry. Bila lapar sangat saya tak boleh tidur. Bila lapar sangat saya tak boleh tidur. When I'm very hungry, I can't sleep. Iri hati. Iri hati. Envious. Jangan iri hati dengan kejayaan orang lain. Jangan iri hati dengan kejayaan orang lain. Don't be envious of other people's success. Risau. Risau. Worried. Jangan risau, ada orang jaga dia. Jangan risau, ada orang jaga dia. Do not worry. Someone is looking after him or her. Tenang, tenang, calm. Saya rasa tenang bila duduk tepi pantai. Saya rasa tenang bila duduk tepi pantai. I feel calm when I sit by the beach. Well, that ends our lesson for today. I hope this video is beneficial for you. Terima kasih for always supporting the channel and until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.